this is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the markets, along with trading advice or tips and viewing live day trades, please consider subscribing to the channel. We had a slight gap down here on Apple this morning, and I am currently looking for a potential short opportunity. Let's see what the price action brings. I am now in the trade. I bought 16 put contracts here on Apple at 33 cents. I am expecting the price to continue lower. Let's see what happens with the price action. So I have started to scale out of the position as the price of Apple continues to move lower, and I'm going to be very aggressive with my profits today because it is Expiration Friday. So I am continuing to scale out as the price of Apple declines. Let's see if Apple can move a little bit lower here. I now have 8 contracts left, and it looks like 205.50 is starting to hold here. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the position using a market order. And I am all out of the trade for $222, so not a bad trade overall. I ended up netting a 42% gain in just a few minutes here on this trade. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and if you did, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.